Hi, I think I need a tow.
So the wheel's coming off the car. The car just starts shaking. Nick goes, this doesn't feel right. I'm like, oh, it's the highway. Because sometimes it does that. 3 lug nuts are missing. So now I have to get a tow to my parents' house. So it's been a few hours and we've been to a few different, what do you call it? Hardware stores, I guess? I don't know. Place you get vehicle equipment from. Anyways, we got what we needed and the boys, my dad and my husband are out there. My husband, like you don't know who he is. Nick is out there and they're fixing it. I've been inside uploading all the footage that we had from yesterday, but it's uploading 4K footage right now. So I'm gonna go outside and see what they are up to. You're working, man.
I thought it was weird it was silent. That should be good. Maxed out.
No, it's getting close.
Our tire's back on. Is it fixed or you think they're gonna fix it when we go back?
It's fixed, but we're gonna bring it there so that they can double check it and make sure everything's good so that it doesn't happen again.
Okay.
I'll make sure of that.
What he said. But I think it's good to drive now. Thanks, Dad. You gotta drive separate cars. I hate that. Nick's gonna test it out on the highway. I'm just gonna drive behind him in the Honda. Come on, strong man.
Give it the old test.
Come on, strong man.
Film me getting splinters?
No, don't get splinters.
Ah!
Back home, the car made it. I'm having lunch. He's having soup and toast and honey. I don't think I told you guys that I started Weight Watchers. Kind of secretly did it last week because I wanted to see how the first week went. I had to tell Nick, so it's like not a secret anymore. But yeah, I've been trying to count my points, so having toast and honey is just not an option for me at the moment. So I'm having 0 points for a turkey burger and an egg. This is 3 points for the bread, and then that's 0 points. So I'm back to that. I never vlogged my last Weight Watchers journey because that was years ago, but I did lose 50 pounds on that. We'll see. I'm only trying it for a few months because the whole thyroid and Hashimoto thing, we'll see how it goes. I'm also trying to go gluten-free, but really hard to do and really expensive to do. It's all trial and error at this moment. Really bright out here. We're heading off Cape again. We're gonna see the Impractical Jokers movie because it's so funny. I can't wait. They're the best. And then after that, we're gonna hit up Wahlburgers because we have gift cards there. We're on the poor train at the moment, so gift cards for everything. We're about to go down on the date night. Did that sound dirty? I swear he always goes and gets my phone. Thanks, babe.
Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you haven't because there's a lot more views than our subscriptions, so please subscribe. All right.
If you didn't like it, press the thumbs up button.
Oh, yeah, what he said. All right, we'll see you in the next vlog. All right, we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
What's wrong with the first one?
I like kind of tongue-tied.
Well, I'm gonna edit that in.